BBQ Guru are the sponsors of this video and sent me the shotgun smoker to put through its paces. There's something to be said about the quality of the build when a door closes and has that fit and precision. Not only the build's solid, but also the design and engineering that go along with it. The BBQ Guru uses a piano hinge, and a heavy-duty one at that, to mount and secure the cooking chamber door as well as the firebox door. With its 2-ply walls and insulation, the door shuts more like a vault, frankly. The design of the closing locks are easy to use and provide a secure fit. With a durable gasket and latches, you know you can count on the heat and that wonderful, that smoky goodness to stay in the chamber, creating the food your family and guests will sure to give you high scores on. Looking at the corners, the seams, and the welds all the way down to the foundation, the legs are strong. This is a beast of a smoker. Working with the BBQ Guru fan system, I see competition teams winning with it. I can cold smoke fish or cheese, spices. I can also raise the temps up for a good long Boston butt cook or even brisket. I can even still dial in the smoker and raise the temps up for a hot and fast cooking style. I know of barbecue teams who've even cooked their steak competitions on it on a Friday night at a barbecue comp. Cooking-wise, the convection or airflow from the firebox goes up the interior walls, providing great even heat. This gives you consistent results, and I was impressed with the spacing and capacity this cooker can really handle. It comes with a capacity for 4 racks. Each rack can handle a full hotel pan. Another design feature that impressed me was the ease of moving and the balance of the shotgun smoker. It's as easy to maneuver as a dolly. The welds are strong and solid. Also, the ease of airflow on the chimney. It's sturdy and can make an adjustment at any point. Probably the area of the smoker that has to be able to take a brutal test is really the firebox. Sitting just below the water pan in this smoker, the firebox engineering here makes it easy to set up, use, and clean. Just look at the firebox with the rods for the charcoal to burn on, the ash to fall into the tray. It has great airflow, efficiency, and cleanup's a snap. Simply slide the tray out and dispose of your ash, after letting it cool, of course. Cooked a whole pork loin, spare ribs, St. Louis cut ribs, and a Boston butt 2 different ways. Now, a Boston butt makes about 20 sandwiches, so we cooked 2 of those for 40 sandwiches. And 2 racks of ribs, let's say those ribs cook 2 to 4 folks. And that 6-pound pork loin, sliced up, can feed 20. So this pork extravaganza, that'll handle my 50 guests just fine. Take a look at how it fills the space, though. The smoker still looks like it can handle 3 to 5 Boston butts a shelf, and remember, it's got 4 shelves in this beast. You could even do meat on 1 rack, 2 sides, and dessert with tons of room. Being able to handle a full-size pan gives you tons of flexibility. The ease of cooking, the design, and the quality of the build for the tailgate, competitions, groups. The shotgun smoker by BBQ Guru got put to the test, and I have to say, it passes with flying colors. I'm Michael McDearman. Thank you, and get out and cook something.